Welcome to GrayYeon We are asked to solve this problem. We have this triangle, right triangle, MNO, and a segment is drawn from uh, N to P, and point P is along OM. And this angle between PN and the hypotenuse is beta, while PO with the hypotenuse is 2 beta, and the length of the length from P to M is A, and while the length of the hypotenuse is twice of that of P to M, and we are required to find the measure of the angle beta. Okay, so first thing that we may do is we can draw a line from point P to this segment ON until we intersect with ON, and we make sure that this uh, and we label first this uh, Q. So if this Q, we make this as this PQ is congruent with QN, and we label this as QN as 2, 2x, and if we set that to be an isosceles, then this PQ is 2x also. Okay, so since the whole distance for ON is 2a, and we need to deduct this 2x from QN, so this becomes 2a minus 2x. Okay, 2a minus 2x. And as you will notice, this triangle PQN uh, has two of its sides to be equal, and we set it as an isosceles triangle. So the angle here at P should be also beta. Okay. Okay, so next is Wies exterior angle theorem. So because we have this exterior angle will be the sum of these two remote angles. So this will be 2 beta. So 2 beta. Okay, so now as you can see, the triangle OPQ became an isosceles triangle. And if we draw a line from P to OQ that is perpendicular to this OQ, so we can simply divide this 2a minus 2x by 2, and this becomes a minus x. So that is the reason why I chose 2x, not just x, because it will be easier to divide this 2a minus 2x into 2. So we'll make this a minus x, or it will be a minus x. Okay, so since this POQ became an or resulted to being an isosceles triangle, so this segment PQ should be also 2x. Okay, 2x also. Okay, so now is we have the isolated these two triangles, these two right triangles OPR and this triangle MNO. So we'll use cosine of the angle 2 beta, cosine 2 beta, and for OPR, uh, the cosine is adjacent over the hypotenuse, so this gives us a minus x all over 2x. And again, for this triangle MNO, however, it will be cosine 2 beta is equal to 2x plus a, which is the adjacent side with respect to this 2 beta, and over the hypotenuse, which is 2a. So these two are actually equal, so we will equate this on the next step. Okay, so next is we equate the two equations we got. So cosine 2 beta is equal to cosine 2 beta for the left. We have a minus x all over 2x. it is equal to 2x plus a all over 2a. So we can simply cancel this 2 and 2 on the right hand side. So a minus x times a, we just need to cross multiply, is equal to 2x plus a times x. And this gives us a square minus ax is equal to 2x square plus ax. So if we put this ax to the left hand side, this one on the right hand side, so we have a square minus ax minus ax minus 2x square is equal to 0. So this gives us a square minus 2ax minus 2x square is equal to 0. And next is we see that this can be a perfect square. This is 2ax, and if we get the perfect square of this first 2, we need to add something. So that is a square minus 2ax. Then it should be plus x square. So since we added the x square, okay, so we need to uh, add again a negative for this negative 2x square. So negative 2x square. Then we should to balance it out. So this should be negative x square. So we are just practically adding nothing. So we added plus x square here and subtracted it here. So for this to become a perfect square, trinomial. So this becomes a minus x squared. Then we simplify this two by adding these two similar terms. So we have negative 3x squared is equal to 0. Okay, so from continuing from this equation, so we need to put this negative 3x squared to the right hand side. So we have a minus x squared is equal to 3x squared. And if we get the square root of both sides, okay, so we will get a minus x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 3 times x. Okay, so next is we just put this negative x to the right hand side, and therefore we have a is equal to negative of x, I mean plus x plus or minus the square root of 3x for the value of a. Okay, so going back to the equation cosine 2 beta is equal to a minus x over 2x. So we'll substitute the value of a. So cosine 2 beta is equal to x plus square root of 3x minus x all over 2x. Okay, so notice that we have used the positive, because if we use the negative, later you will get an angle that is greater than 90 degrees, and that will be 150 degrees if we use the negative. But if we use the positive, so uh, this of course cancels out, so this 2x and this cancels out, and eventually this also cancels out, x over x. So this we have cosine 2 beta is equal to square root of 3 over 2. So if you get the arc cosine of this square root of 3 over 2, so 2 beta is equal to arc cosine of square root of 3 over 2. This will give you the value of 2 beta to be 30 degrees. And to get beta, just divide both sides by 2. So beta gives you the value of 15 degrees. And that is our answer. So thank you for watching until the end of the video. Please like the video if you liked our solution, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you will be updated for more math videos like this. Thank you. Bye.